Hey, how are you? So today I am going to be showing you guys how I clean my bedroom properly, how to clean glass furniture, and I'm going to be sharing an amazing trick that is life-changing if you have any type of glass in your house. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So the first thing that you want to do when you're cleaning your bedroom is to dust everything. And for me, I love to dust my bed frame, and that is because it does tend to accumulate so much dust that it's insane. And I like to use a Swiffer because I find that it locks the dust in place. Then I like to go in with Febreze, and I apply Febreze onto furniture and onto anything that has fabric so that the scent can really linger. What you want to do next is that you want to change your sheets. I have clean sheets right now, and I change my sheets every 2 to 3 days.
But I can't be strong.
Then I'm also going to be doing the same thing for my pillow.
I can't move on if you can't be strong.
And then I'm gonna be putting my bedspread.
But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same.
Then I'm gonna go in with Clorox, and what I'm gonna do with the Clorox is that I'm going to be applying it to the very top of my furniture, and then I am also going to be cleaning my lamp and any accents that I may have on my nightstand. When it comes to actual glass, you want to go ahead and use alcohol, and alcohol is going to leave your furniture streak free. It is a trick that my mother-in-law taught me, and that has been a game changer. Not only does it disinfect, but at the same time, since it dries so quickly, it really helps the furniture just stay shinier and nicer for so much longer. Now I am going to be repeating the same process throughout the room wherever there is glass, so that everything just looks so much nicer.
But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I've loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same. And I waited for a lifetime.
But yeah, so this cabinet I got not too long ago, and I showed you guys a video of how I organized it, and yeah, it's very easy to maintain. Now I am going to be cleaning my vanity. For some reason, this vanity is a dust magnet. I have to always remove everything, and I have to clean it because it accumulates so much dust. And the same thing, I am going to be using alcohol for this. Then I like to clean the bottles that I have so that everything just looks nicer. Now, using the alcohol with a paper towel, I am going to be cleaning the furniture, and as you guys are going to see, the alcohol is just going to absorb. So now when it comes to the floors, I like to use my Swiffer. You guys have seen this in my other videos, and the reason why I love it is because in my house, what tends to accumulate most on the floor are just hairs and then any type of crumb. For example, those red flowers, I've had those for years and I refuse to throw them out. Rose petals that you see on the floor, those tend to get everywhere. And then clean under your furniture. This is so important because there's just so much stuff that can accumulate underneath, and if you have stuff under your bed, my advice would be to just get rid of it.
Even if I try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe
Now, these are new. These are Clorox disinfecting wet mopping cloths. Of course, gives you the satisfaction that you are really disinfecting everything, because anything Clorox, in my opinion, is incredible. And voila, this is the end result. I did light that candle that you guys just saw, and this is what the vanity looks like. I love it when my room is clean and organized. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so happy that you're here. Please subscribe before you go. I upload beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I upload twice a week. I also have Instagram where I'm active every single day. So if you want to check it out, then I will be linking everything down for you. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same. And I waited for a lifetime. So you say you wanna change.